The function f is defined by f of 2x negative 1 equals to 4x positive 3, and the function g is defined by g of x equals to f of x negative 1. What is the value of g of 10? Here we have the function g of x. Let me write the function g of x over here. That is g of x equals to f of x and negative 1. Our aim is to get the value of g of 10. That is, we have to plug in this value 10 for x over here and here. Okay, let me do it on the right side. That is f of 10 negative 1. Now to get the value of g of 10, we have to get the value of f of 10. For that, we have to use a function f we have over here. Let me write it. F of 2x negative 1 equals to 4x positive 3. Okay, now let's try to get the value of f of 10. Okay, to get the value of f of 10, we have to write the number 10 in this form, 2x negative 1. That is, some number has to be multiplied by 2, and then we have to subtract 1 from that 2x. So it has to be equal to 10. I think we have some trouble to write this number 10 in this format. Okay, and also the function f is not in regular form. So if I have the function f like this, f of x, that is, we have single variable over here inside the parenthesis, we can say the function f is in regular form, but instead of single variable, we have an expression over here. So the function is not in regular form. Now to get the value of f of 10, we have to get this function to regular form. How do we have to get the function f in regular form? Let's substitute a new variable for this expression 2x negative 1 over here. That is, let y equals to 2x negative 1. Now we have to get this complete function f in terms of the new variable y. Okay, we have to solve for x in terms of y in this equation. Let me do this separately. That is, y equals to 2x negative 1. Let me add 1 to both sides of this equation. This negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. I am getting y positive 1 equals to 2x. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 2. Then 2 will cancel out. We get y positive 1 over 2 equals to x. Here I have solved for x in terms of y. Okay, now let's take the function f over here. F of, replace this 2x negative 1 by y. Then we get f of y equals to 4 times. On the right side, replace this x by this stuff for y positive 1 over 2. And we can write this positive 3 as it is. Now I got the function f in terms of the new variable y, and also now the function is in regular form because here we have single variable inside the parenthesis. Okay, let's get the value of f of 10 now. That is f of 10. I plugged in 10 for y over here. The same thing I have to do on the right side. That is, for this y, I have to plug in 10. 10 positive 1 over 2, positive 3. Then we have f of 10 equals to 4 times, we have 11 over 2. Positive 3, 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. F of 10 equals to 2 times 11 is 22, positive 3, f of 10 equals to 25. Okay, here I got the value of f of 10, that is 25. We can plug in this 25 for f of 10 over here. Then we get g of 10 equals to 25 negative 1. G of 10 equals to 25 negative 1 is 24. Here I got the value of g of 10, that is 24.